looks like balls.
It does look like balls.
The fourth mother sauce that we're tackling is basically just a fancy ass gravy.
Yeah, it's racist French sauce.
Racist French sauce, otherwise known as Espagnole.
Hey, my name's Chris Rivest. I'm not a chef, but probably neither are you. Welcome to the Rivestaurant.
Nice work, Chris.
Heat a pan up. Saucepan. Let's make a mirepoix. Carrots, onion, celery. Don't have celery, so whatever you got. Finely chop it. No, if you put it like there and make the claw, you're never gonna cut your fucking cares.
Here's an onion. We don't have onions, so we're using the shallot.
A little garlic. A little marjoram. A little dry thyme. Just salt. Now we're gonna throw in a little roux. A couple tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna dark roux on this. All that burny bit stuck to the bottom. That's that good.
Well.
You got a nutty butter. It smells nutty.
I've done that butter. Fucking make some wraps now. Golden spoon, yo. That's how you do it. Because chemistry, or is it physics?
Throw in 2 cups of beef or veal demi. Look at that thicken up. Like just toss it in right
Look at
away. And we'll throw in another one. Throw a little bit of tomato sauce too.
And you know what you do with the other half of the can?
You let it rot in the fridge for 3 weeks.
That's exactly what you do.
Bay leaf. Crush it up. Then let that reduce for a few minutes.
Okay.
It smells fucking awesome. Sticks to a spoon pretty fucking well. Then take a strainer. Espagnole. Brown sauce. Put a steak on it.
Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chilling. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chilling. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chilling. Clean your plate, motherfucker.
Because of Quebec.
What are you trying to say, Sean? I'm French.
Well, sorry.
Sorry. I'm Canadian.
Yeah, there you
Sean
go.
says.
Mmm.